miles. And
How
just
much?
46.8 miles and just a hair about an eighth of a tank below full.
You put 46 miles on it today?
No, well, since our last tour, yeah.
Oh.
There's me. To God be the glory.
Steven, what's his wife's name?
Alicia?
No. Older Steve. No, the older man.
Oh, yeah, I can't remember her name.
I can't remember her
But they had a meeting with the Representatives Matt Shea tonight that they attended, so that's why they were not here.
I mean,
so,
for what? You know?
I didn't ask.
Oh. Who is Representative Matt Shea?
State representative for Spokane Valley in Olympia. That's his district.
What?
In the State House of Representatives.
Oh. Huh.
So.
Okay. I don't remember what it was for. They told me, but I don't remember.
So. Yeah, I don't remember either.
At the city council?
No, at his office out in the valley.
Oh. Do they live out in the valley?
No, they live, Steve lives up on the north side here.
Oh.
And I gotta focus on the driving here, so.
Okay.
Put some cruise control.
Just the drinks tonight, okay?
Oh, yeah.
And you're paying for the gas?
Yes.